So hi guys, today we're going to NAIA T3 Food Hall and we're going to take the Manila Runway or Runway Manila. And we are coming from Newport or Research World. So ito na yung ano guys, ito na yung Runway Manila. So guys, ang maganda na itong footbridge na to, this connects to Newport, Research World, to airport. Advantage nito, pag may mga connecting flights kayo or layover ng ilang oras, pwede kayo magstay malapit sa airport para sa next flight nyo. So pag may ano ka pala, Epic Reward members, pwede kang kumuha. You can drive it around. Diba? Tingnan mo, tanaw mo dito yung Skyway. Tapos ito yung Newport, which is mga hotels and casino ng Research World. Napakalaki ng gamit nitong runway dahil pag ulan o kaya mainit, pwede kang dumaan dito. Passengers natin galing iba't ibang probinsya, nakakalapag lang, tapos walang sundo. Pwede silang mag-cross here, tapos pumunta dito sa hotel, and then pwede from there, across kasi may mga kainan dyan, may mga restaurants, may mga hotels, if you wanted to stay for a few hours, or half day, or one day. The NAIA Terminal 3 is under the new management of San Miguel Corporation, and they're doing their best to make the airport at this terminal convenient, like hassle-free para sa mga passengers, whatever problems it is na madalas natin ma-encounter as passengers, you know. Yeah, right now, let's go and check out the food hall. Yeah, importante talaga na maraming choices ang mga passengers kung saan sila pwedeng kumain, mag-chill, yeah, food trip. Let's go! Mayroon pang may bakante pa sa gitna. Sana diniretso na lang nilang ganun pahaba. Pero wala sigurong ganun kahaba na escalator, char. NAIA Terminal 3, yung yung sa arrival and departure. So yung arrival natin guys, nasa baba, and yung departure natin nasa taas. Ayan o, laki-laki ng parking talaga ng NAIA Terminal 3 eh. Kaya pwede nating dito kainin, kaya makikita natin. Tenya, tsaka yung racks. Ito yung mga medyo good food, good eats. A little bit, pricey, yeah. We are going to food hall. Kaya, tara. Guys, yung mga fancy restaurants nandito, nasa level 2 nga siya. Let's look around. Oh, mukhang madami. Sosyalan na sila. Actually, bago to eh. Made Japanese. Oh, we have Angel's Pizza. Ang dami dito, grabe. Bread Talk, which is my favorite bake shop. Oh my gosh, this is so big. Napakalaki ng nila guys, ng food hall nila dito sa NAIA 3. I did not know this exists. Amazing! LA Chicks. I've had Banapol, Seattle's Best, Nanyang, Chili's, Paris Spaghetti. Meron pa dito madami pang mabubukas soon. So they have Kenny Rogers. The Kenny Rogers, guys, is a staple food for everyone. Sarap dyan, kaya maraming kumakain dyan. At lagi silang punuan, not just here. Lahat ng Kenny Rogers ng branch, ganun. Siyempre, andito rin yung pang-dessert, afterwards. Jayco and Mary Grace. Oh my gosh! Ayaw mo ng heavy meal and then you just wanted to chill and have some sweets, come to Jayco. or Mary Grace. Mary Grace has the best ensaymada and syempre hot chocolate. So guys, this is Mary Grace. Set up dito. It's a bit classic. Modern classic. Parang ganon. The tables, it's amazing. One of my favorite in Mary Grace is tiramisu. And the next is a carrot. They are known for ensaymada and hot choco. Mary Grace has a very good pasta. The sardines pasta. So among here and Food Hall, yung napili ko is Mary Grace. Kasi yung Mary Grace, meron na silang mga meals, one-stop shop kumbaga. At the same time, meron silang mga sweets for desserts, yeah, and drinks, coffee. We're going to order pasta. I'm going to have also the ensaymada and hot choco. That's perfect. So ayan guys, nandito na yung hot choco natin. Init-init pa. Pag-serve pa lang, sobrang bango na. Alam mo yung naaamoy mo is sweetness. Kikiligin ka sa tamis. So ito na yung food natin. So we ordered here daing na bangos with garlic rice and omelette. And syempre, we have the Spanish sardines pasta. Bango! Syempre, we also have here the ensaymada. Just for you to see, guys. Babayaran mo dito more or less 1.6, ganun, 1.7. Grabe, guys. Ang sarap ng Spanish sardines. And it has also mushroom. Yummy. Very savory. This one fits to Filipino taste. Lamig kaayo. And by the way, I'm going to do also the Newport, which is across of this NAIA Terminal 3. Para magkaroon kayo ng idea anong meron doon and what you can do. So as for now, I'm going to enjoy my food. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you at the next one. Bye-bye!